Hi, I'm Linda. Welcome back. Something you may or may not know about me, I love butts. Yep, that's right. Love everything about them. The shape, the word, the way they protect my butt bones when I sit down. I absolutely adore booty workouts. And no, not because of the big butt trend that took over the internet, but because I live for that booty burn. It's just the best kind of pain. So at this point, I'd like to say I'm pretty experienced with YouTube fitness influencers. I've tried almost every single one. So I thought it was about time we got a little bit more up close and personal and see whose butt workout will provide us with the ultimate booty experience. We'll be ranking each of these butt workouts on a few things. The burn factor, which is the difficulty, and then the enjoyability and the originality. And you just gotta remember, this is my own personal opinion, my personal experiences, and based on my own personal fitness level. All butts prefer different butt workouts. That's a beautiful thing. Starting off alphabetically, we have the famous, classic, once trending butt workout from the one and only ALEXIS ran.
What is this music? What? Why is there an ad for like 2 minutes?
I never did this butt workout because of honestly how bad the quality looked, but to be fair, this may have been one of the first butt workouts on YouTube.
Okay, yeah, it hurts now. Why is there an ad every 6 seconds?
Overall, other than the fact that there were seriously 12 freaking ads in this video,
why is there another ad?
If you're looking for a basic, easy, hard to follow butt workout with strange background music, this one's for you.
So like after the workout just casually goes into splits. Is that what we're supposed to do?
Moving on to the B's, we have Bailey Brown, which I have never done her workouts before, but her 5-minute butt workouts were quite popular, so if you're looking for a quick, short booty burn that you really don't need any equipment for, this is a pretty good option.
She's so happy. I'm not so happy, but she's happy.
But personally, I was not a fan because during the workout, she tends to motivate her viewers in ways that have too much of a physical focus, like targeting cellulite or toning up. And after this 5-minute video, I was more self-conscious of my butt and my body than before I even did the workout.
I was gonna do her third butt workout, but it just looked the same as all the other ones.
She seems like a really great person.
Like some words kind of trigger me, like, we're gonna get rid of the cellulite, doing this for the results. I don't know, just like a very big like physical focus and getting rid of parts of your body that you should be learning to love, not get rid of. I don't know, just like not my vibe. Honestly, Cassie's positivity is exactly what I'm needing right now.
Miss Cassie's butt workouts, ooh, always a good burn. Every time I add my own ankle weights and booty band, even if she doesn't, and it's just so intense. Even though we aren't jumping or lifting heavy, my butt is on fire. And it's actually a really hardcore workout. And other than the crazy burn from just doing simple small movements,
Cassie just sends such a positive vibe through the screen, and somehow she makes me feel accepted in my own body and proud of the butt and the body that I have. Her approach to body acceptance is so contagious, and sometimes she says exactly what I need to hear on a bad day. She really makes it seem like we are just killing our butts with a really motivational, inspiring friend.
My booty's pretty small, and I love it. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's, and as long as I keep working, I know that this is the best version of my booty, so I hope you're working for that too.
True. Never underestimate BLOGILATES.
you guys know I've been obsessed with yoga recently, so I thought yoga booty workouts had to be included in this video, and BOHOBEAUTIFUL, who is probably one of my favorite YouTube yogis, manages to incorporate the most interesting butt workouts that bring me peace, like yoga does, but also kills my butt like a butt workout should. It's like the best of both worlds, a peaceful kind of burn, which is, you know, how I like to start my day, or do when I'm stressed, or need a pick-me-up, and this day I used it as a warm-up to another butt workout. But yes, I found out that I'm very into butt-focused yoga.
My butt is sore.
Caroline GIRVAN, one of my ultimate go-tos. I've done every single Caroline butt workout at least 5 times, and I can confidently say that her butt workouts burn every single time. If you want something crazy challenging and painful and to feel very accomplished, Caroline is your girl. She has booty band only butt workouts, which I almost pass out every time because of the pain. She has high intensity butt focused workouts, or just straight strength training. All of these videos are filled with most creative workouts and paces and mixes of moves that make the 30, 40, or 50 minutes actually fly by. And you'll be so drenched in sweat, it won't even be funny.
I have praised Caroline dozens of times for the message she promotes and stands for, and I will always respect her for that. Especially when it comes to butts. People think we have to work out our butts to achieve the perfect plump or shape or growth, but Caroline reminds me that strength and balance and just hard work is what my focus should be on. Working on my fitness and my health, no matter what butt results come from it, is worth it because that's just the best version of my own butt. And a butt can't tell you how fit or healthy or happy someone one is. Don't just do it for a better butt. Do it because you just deserve to feel confident and strong. Chloe Ting. I think I've established my love-hate relationship for Chloe Ting workouts by now, but over time I've learned to really respect her, and I do see her as a huge role model, but that does not change the fact that her butt workouts are not as painful as I'd like them to be. The music is never really too awesome either, but the burn is definitely still there. With Chloe workouts, it's super easy to change it up to fit your own preferred level of difficulty because the moves are quite basic, like the classic donkey kicks and fire hydrants and bridges, so easy to remove and add weights, add ankle weights, resistance bands, and really just make the workout your own. So even for me, the burn was still there, but just not incredibly challenging.
That was good. Eyebrows. Sweating. Always a good sign. I was sweating. So a good sign. Music. Not great. I swear all her workouts are like the exact same moves. I just feel like everything's just repetitive. I just get bored. I've been doing this for way too long. I don't want to do another one.
And I've always thought Chloe was great for beginners or just people who don't want to be jumping or using very heavy weights because in all of her butt workouts she has low impact variations. Anyways, yeah, I did fall while doing this Chloe workout and I did put a huge crater into the floors and I was quite devastated, but what can you do, you know, you live and you learn. Sorry, Mom.
My mom is going to kill me, but I gotta keep going. Shit. Oh no. Can you come upstairs? I dropped a dumbbell on the floor and there's a crater on the floor now. Oh my god. I'm sorry.
I just want to show you guys the bruise that is forming. It's like protruding. Careful, please, when you're working out. Make sure you don't have any slippery carpets around you. To be honest, I was not expecting that a butt workout that was kind of poorly filmed and planned would be as good as this one was.
Oh, it's hard. Oh my god.
Especially because she's not even a workout influencer, but her butt, you know, is quite famous, so I thought I just had to try it out, and to my ultimate surprise,
Holy shit, this is hard. What? Holy fuck, it's hard.
it was pretty freaking hard after I added weights and a resistance band. The burn was actually kind of ridiculous. There was not really a great structure or any explanation of how to do the moves in the video, but I was still sweating profusely.
Oh my god, my butt is on fire. Oh, this one is deadly. This one is deadly. Do Daisy's workout with a band and ankle weights, and I swear, like, your butt.
All the butt workouts I did from her were rep-based, so they weren't timed. So yes, it was a little bit harder to follow because everyone's reps will be at different paces, but it also means that you can totally set your own pace, and you get to decide how hard you push yourself. And that's really what it comes down to. I took really short breaks, used really heavy weights, and a really strong booty band. And while it was a little repetitive, which I'm not super fond of, I can't deny that there were literally buckets of sweat coming out of my body. Daisy, you've impressed me.
Oh, that's rough. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Do you see the sweat? My neck is sweating. I was not expecting that. I'm sweating so. My lip is sweating. What?
I'd say all of Emmy's butt workouts are apartment friendly, equipmentless, and pretty low impact. I didn't really feel any burn. It was more of a stretch routine for me, but my friend Cindy, who just started working out, actually felt pain and enjoyed it a lot. So it all depends on your own level of fitness, but she does mainly do pretty simple moves that we've probably all seen before.
Oh my god. Okay.
I've actually never heard of Fitness Blender, and I went into it very skeptical because first of all, there is just no music. It's basically just her breathing in silence for half of it, and that's something that's very new to me.
Yeah, why aren't you playing the music? I don't understand why she doesn't include music.
But I love that she encourages you to increase the weights as you see fit, so every workout is able to be personalized and made just for you. I'd say it's still more of an easy beginner workout. Even after doing 3 workouts, none of them were extremely challenging.
Sweating. There's no music.
Something other than music that triggered me so bad is that during the workout, there's a bar on the side of the page that counts the estimated calories that you've burned so far. And that's just not something that motivates me personally and not something that I want to see while I'm working out. But I totally see how that could be helpful or motivational for a lot of people. So that's just not something that I want to focus on when I'm working out. Our bodies are so different and that number can't represent every person, every body size and body type. So that got me a little bit However, all in all, it was a pretty solid workout with warm-up and cool-down and a very clear and defined structure, so I'll give you that.
Oh, it actually hurts. How is this a workout? This is hard. This is hard. Oh my god. I liked it. Way harder than I expected. I guess it really just comes down to like, not just depending on the video to push you, but really pushing yourself, adding the weights, pushing harder. It's really on you. Can't blame anyone else. It's your health, it's your life, it's your job to take care of yourself.
The queen of HIIT has some pretty aggressive butt HIIT workouts. Anna knows how to kill people and she's also very, very good at it. The 50 seconds of work and 10 seconds rest are killer every workout, and it really makes me build up a sweat.
Oh my god! Oh.
It's a very structured, straightforward workout, and there's a warm-up and a cool down, and it's just a whole package in one video, which I love.
Oh my butt! The 50 seconds is so deadly.
Because it is a HIIT style, there are a lot more cardio moves incorporated throughout and less heavy strength focused workouts, but sometimes that's exactly what I need. Anna will always be a favorite of mine because there hasn't been a single workout that didn't leave me drenched and feeling just powerful afterwards.
Oh shit. My knee bruise does not enjoy this.
Absolutely love Heather, such a classic, also very, very structured, but I find Heather really goes for that slow, painful vibe.
Oh, this is rough. Heather, why?
Really helps you focus on the movement and the muscle contractions and the muscle activation, you know, that mind-body connection.
Oh my god, my butt. Jeez, my butt. Oh, thank you. I was not expecting that.
So with Heather, the burn may not come right away, but it's coming, just you wait. She has many HIIT butt workouts and just strength butt workouts, but every one goes by so quickly, yet is still very effective. As much as I adore Holly, and yes, she makes great workout videos, her butt workouts were not my favorite. There was a lot of repetition of all of the typical basic butt exercises. It didn't like get me super excited to work out, and I kind of got bored halfway through, but that's just coming from someone who's not a huge fan of repeating 3 exercises over and over again. But repeating exercises might be your favorite thing, so we're all different, you know? I've never heard of Get Fit with Ivana, but the first butt workout I chose went something like this. You know, totally creative, totally have never seen anything like this before, and you might enjoy the on-beat glute bridge thing, but it's just not my thing.
I'm putting ads like right in the middle.
And while it was unique, it low-key gave me anxiety, so I will not be doing that workout ever again.
These are giving me anxiety. What the fuck? Another ad? Freaking. This is kind of weird. I don't know if I'll enjoy. This is weird. It's like I'm playing piano with like the metronome, except with my butt.
And I did a few other ones from her, and they kind of just remind me of every other basic butt workout. Same moves, same time intervals, and honestly at that point I think I was just traumatized by the beeps from the first video. So yeah, anyways, on a brighter note, I want to take a moment to talk about how freaking cute this Gymshark outfit is. So we're taking a little intercession. The Gymshark Camo Seamless and Ombre Seamless collection just dropped, and they're seriously my favorite collection so far. They are really fitting and perfectly snug around the butt, which is what we all want. So as always, the link is in the description to shop.
Jeez, it's been like 2 minutes and I can't feel my butt at all.
Lily has some of my absolute most favoriteest butt workouts that never fail to make me sob and scream with pain. I love the way she structures them and how there are mixes of such different exercises, and I think the pulses and the unexpected holds really bring up the intensity, and my butt just dies every time. She's always screaming at us, motivating us to keep going and reminding us that we can do it, and it makes the workout fun and challenging and always keeps me coming back for more pain.
My parents said I was dying.
When I used to work out my butt, I always dreaded going to the gym or turning on the video because my focus was only on growing a bigger butt or changing the butt I already had.
I always told myself I had to squat, I had to endure the pain, because only then would my butt be acceptable. But once I started working out to actually just be stronger and found the value in growth and gains and the energy and the happiness working out gave me, it was no longer about enduring pain and getting through the workout. It was more about really enjoying the pain and having fun with my workouts. And with that mindset, that's when I see and feel the most positive changes. It's then when I know my body, my butt, me as I am, are good enough. And I've said this countless of times, but Lily and her workouts have really helped me accept me and my butt just as they are.
Moving on, MADFIT, such a classic, always has well-planned and well-explained workouts. She really focuses on proper form and has slow-paced controlled movements, and they're very well-organized videos, but just not exactly my vibe. I'd rather someone screaming at me or blasting music at me instead of someone gently talking to me. But overall, very solid workouts by MADFIT as always. I've also done every single Pamela Reif butt workout several times, and every time I think it's gonna get easier, it just gets harder, but that's what keeps me coming back for more. We know Pamela for her no breaks, no rest, pulses, hold, jump squats, and her looking freaking amazing while doing all of that while I'm looking not so freaking amazing. But every butt workout from Pamela is hardcore. All the combinations are so well planned out, and it's a huge burn in a short amount of time, which I love. Totally can use weights or bands or leave them out completely depending on your fitness level. Hands down, one of my favorite influencers to go to when I just want a quick but really painful butt workout.
I was actually not expecting much from POPSUGAR, but they pleasantly surprised me. They just gave off such good vibes in every video, just so much energy and happiness, and I had so much fun just listening to the instructors, and it really felt like I was in a workout class, which during quarantine and I'm locked inside every single day is something that I need sometimes. I did every single butt workout that I could find from them, and it's kind of a mix between Pilates and strength training. Definitely not the hardest workouts, but a really enjoyable workout that put a smile on my face. And sometimes you just gotta do the workouts that make you happy and feel good, and not necessarily the ones that are most effective or difficult or the killer ones. Sometimes the simple and purely enjoyable ones are just as valuable and effective.
SAMI CLARKE, I've done her workouts before. Generally, I think Sammy's workouts are all moves I've seen before, and kind of just like those most typical butt workout moves, you know? But really great for glute activation and for beginners.
That would have been a pretty good glute activation workout.
So you'll definitely feel a burn, but it's just not my style, and at this point, I've literally done all of these moves 3 million times, so.
Oh my god.
Cindy Cummings butt workouts are absolutely perfectly painful. Literally, if you have dumbbells, you have to try it. Such a crazy creative instructor. I love how she has intense music, but also was really there talking you through form, motivating you, screaming at you, and really just being there with you every second of the workout.
Oh my god, that was terrible, but wonderful at the same time. See that, like, color? Holy crap. Oh, jeez. It's like my palm size. This feels so good.
I swear, every workout ends so quickly. I don't even remember starting, but I'm completely drenched afterwards. In 30 minutes, she somehow manages to fit an activation, warm up, the actual workout that's so sweaty and painful, and a cool down.
I actually have no complaints. She always encourages us to increase the weights, push a little harder, believe in ourselves a little bit more, and it really does make a difference in my workouts when she says stuff like that. And I wish I had more variety in my dumbbell weight to really experience the full effect of Sydney's workouts, but I just have to make do with what I have, and that's okay. But nonetheless, every single Sydney workout makes me feel so proud of the body I have, and that is just the feeling that I crave. Last on the list is Vicky, and I did a ton of her butt workouts for this video, and I just don't think we were meant to be.
Why is there no music?
She's a very casual instructor, talks a lot during the workout, kind of like a one-on-one workout with a really chatty friend, but I just feel like there's a little bit too much talking and a little not enough butt workout action going on. If you kind of like that loose structure with a really chatty instructor, I think these workouts would be perfect for you. So after many weeks of destroying my butt with these workouts, I present you with the final ratings. Remember, this is totally based on my own opinion, my own preferences. My butt has different feelings and opinions than your butt, and that's okay. We all have different butts, and that's kind of what makes life interesting, you know? What I've realized is most of the butt workouts on YouTube are just the exact same moves, are put into different sequences and different time intervals, done by different people. But there are those little additional things that makes each workout a little bit different. The instructor, music, the talking, the no talking, quality of the video, or even the community in the comments all have the ability to impact your workout experience. So let me know in the comments who has your favorite butt workout and who your favorite fitness influencer here is on YouTube. And just remember, love your butt, big, small, toned, jiggly, round, square, any shape, any size. You have a beautiful butt, so own it. Love you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you very soon.